Hi everybody, welcome to What the Heck. So I had to do this video. It's my first DIY and a little story behind it. So me and my sister were driving by and I seen this cute little makeup table for a girl. And I know you know I don't have a girl, but I have friends who have girls, so it's okay. I came over to look at it and there wasn't that much wrong with it. There was a little bit of damage on the top with nail polish, girls, and some markers. So I did a little renovation on it and brought it back to life. Tune in to see what it looked like before and after. Stains on the surface were not there when I found it. I actually used nail polish remover to get rid of the nail polish and some of the paint came off, so that's when I decided to sand it to make it all even before I applied the paint. So what do you think? Wasn't that super easy? And I love the way it turned out. So cute, and it's okay. Some of us have girls, some of us have boys. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see any more DIYs. I have a few more little things that I want to do. And hit the subscribe button so you can see more of these videos. See you next time.